All right, so this will be a really quick video. I just want to talk about naming conventions, and this is really just personal style, my own conventions I follow. These are not standardized. So when we're passing a function down from a parent to a child, and then calling it from inside the child, inside of its own event handler, there's a lot of possibilities or options for how you name things. You can call them whatever you want, right? There's no rule in React, you have a lot of freedom. What I like to do is try and follow this pattern. So in the parent, we have some action, like remove. And then inside of the child component, we have handle action. So that would be handle remove. So for example, add. We would have a method called add in the parent. We pass it down as a prop. And then in the child, we would have handle add, which would call the parent add. Open, toggle, whatever the action is. This is the pattern I like to follow. So then in the child, as we've already talked about, you would have a matching handle remove, handle add, handle open, handle toggle. So in our example, that's what we already followed. We have the action, which we called remove in the parent. We pass it down to the child. And then inside the child, we have a handle remove that is going to call remove from the parent. So if we had another thing, let's say we had an update, we could do handle update, which would then call this.props.update. Presumably, it needs to be passed down from the parent. There would be something called update on the parent. So you can call them whatever you want. There's no problem. If you want to call this just delete or handle click, it doesn't matter, but pick something and be consistent because it can be confusing. We have these little pairs of methods, one in the child, one in the parent. The parent passes something down. The child has an extra method that it then calls that prop from inside of. So I like to make them sort of matching corresponding pairs so I can easily figure out where something is happening. If I'm trying to find, where am I actually calling remove, it should be inside of handle remove. Anyway, just a convention I like to follow. Totally up to you.